Oh, look at this rap. What's going on? Oh, shit. Shooting out here, man. They shooting. They not driving with no shit.
What won't you run? How much you want to run for?
Anything, it don't matter. Money don't
Give me your steps and I'll call a car.
I don't even know what if you even drive anything.
I know. Give me your steps on what you want to
see. What you got?
Everything. What do you want to run? You're not running me.
I'm good, bro. What's good, y'all? DeontaTv back with another video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Hit the record, you know.
I did. It's recording.
I'm like, hello, my boy turned up, man.
So we got my boy Fresh. We got my boy Z. Yeah, we got my boy right here, yeah. We got my boy Jay.
Man, what's up, man? Y'all go ahead and subscribe, man. You know.
Hellcats real quick, man. I bet, y'all. Look, they been here before me because I had to go back home and get my SD card because I was editing the video. But look, though, this nigga gotta chill with the music. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. He gotta chill with the music, gang. Look at this truck pulling up right here, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh yeah! Pop your shit, twin. Hey y'all, look. I'm gonna do a vlog, but I'm also gonna be doing interviews today, bro. Do y'all see this shit?
This is not carbon fiber, bro.
Oh no, never mind. I thought that's a regular rap. My bad. I thought it was carbon fiber. It's still a Hellcat though, nigga.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Oh, what is it?
It's a fake cat.
Oh, that is a fake cat. Oh my god, let me zoom in for y'all.
Fake cat. That bit, what is it?
They got the Hemi right here.
Nah, that ain't no SRT. It's a
Hemi.
AT. What is it? What the?
392 right there, y'all. Y'all see it? 392. We got an SRT with the pink lip. I didn't know the pink lip. We got another Hemi right there. 392. Yeah, so we walking around right now. We got some more cars. We got some BMWs right here. A BMW right there. That's a new BMW right there. Got another BMW right there. Got that old school BMW right here. Oh, good. Got a Camaro SS Infinity. Another BMW. Oh, they lit right here. Oh, good. I'm gonna show you all these BMWs real quick so I won't get copyrighted. Oh, you got the Jag. Hey man, look, let me tell y'all this right now. The movie theater parking lot haven't been this full since 2016, man. We at the movie theater parking lot. And it been thick, boy. I'm good. You got something to say? My joke wasn't funny?
No.
My joke wasn't funny?
It was funny, my boy.
I appreciate it. See, you're not a real one.
They shoot me?
You're not a real one.
My mama was gonna do some whole shit.
What you was gonna do?
Don't get me started. Okay, let's talk about something. We talk about a little something.
You just told on yourself like a mug, boy. He just told on his heat green.
Fucking this shit every day.
Oh God.
You probably been on this hoe every day.
Fresh 2.0, hell yeah.
Who you at?
I don't know. He walking around somewhere with his girl. This nigga shit on fire. What type of gas they put in there? Why that bitch smoking like that? I'm thinking that shit goddamn burning rubber. I think he put in the wrong gas.
Yeah, hey, read that motherfucker, what? Read that shit. Yo,
I read that bit, man.
let me hear it, twin.
What? Your ass goddamn phone on that bitch on God. And, oh shit, it's a girl driving this, y'all.
Yeah.
She got the rims on that bitch on God.
Ooh, and there's spikes on that too.
She got a pipe on there?
Yeah, on that,
Oh, he got that low rider.
yeah. At a trap house.
He got a low rider. Low rider out here. Good. That be sick.
So that's what I play with that shit.
That shit go up and down? They go up and down?
Yeah, they got bags. Look at the bags.
Oh, bags.
Yeah, they come for the bag.
That shit going slow as hell.
What's going on, my wife?
What's going on, gang?
Who shit that is?
Huh?
Who shit this is?
Oh, that's his. This is like exotic rap. Oh my God. Jeez. Where you get your car wrapped at?
MC Raps.
MT Rest, I bet. You got a Chevy SS right there, y'all. 392. You got all the Mopars. All the Mopars right here. The SRT right there, though. Yo, Jake. He trying to kill something.
Here, bro.
He trying to kill something.
No, inside your mouth.
He trying to kill something. Y'all see him? Oh, look at this rap. This rap is crazy. This rap is crazy. Oh, this is this is scat.
Hey, how you did this, bro? They got an Instagram like on his hood. That shit hot fire as fuck.
My bad. I'm doing shit.
That's hard. You see the Instagram name on this car. He ain't playing no game. What you spend on it?
What? Everything?
Yeah. Like all the rap, the guns. How much you spend on it?
So the rap, this side was 250, this side was 250. So the rap was like 500.
Oh,
put it on maybe like 1,000.
Damn.
The guns I had made, the guns might be like 300.
Okay.
The missiles might be maybe like 40.
I didn't even see it up there.
40, maybe 50. Shit. Maybe everything less than maybe 2,000.
Okay, that ain't bad. What you do for a living?
Oh, I sell cable. I'm on cable service. Okay. I'm on streaming service.
Yeah. What? So y'all need to get y'all car. Y'all want to scat? Y'all get your own goddamn cable service. Where you been at?
I'm walking around seeing everything, bro.
I know, me too, bro.
I'm about to flag.
Yeah, I'm out of his crib.
Yeah, I feel y'all boys.
You know, y'all boys be safe.
Y'all had me come out here for this.
They gonna get active, nigga.
Get active.
Nigga, yes, nigga.
Alright,
Yeah, you got that bitch. Damn. Oh, they popping. Oh, they popping. It's always the Hondas. It's always the Hondas. They popping it. They popping that shit. I said get away from that flag. That's the shit. Oh God. What's going on? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! God damn, man. Got it this time. That shit loud. You know that shit up close? Oh, that's what it is. God damn. This nigga shooting out here. They shooting. They shooting out here, man. They shooting. Everybody go, they shooting.
When he do that shit.
They shoot and run. I need some shit like that. I ain't gonna cap.
Fuck no. Hell no.
That shit nice. What we got coming through this? Oh, we got a Mustang. Watch out, y'all. Watch out. We got a Mustang. Mustang, watch out. We popping. Pop your shit, twin. Ah, no, we got a Nissan, not a Nissan. Pipe on that big. The pipe on that bitch. That bitch so shit.
like this before. Move out the way. Listen, this is some innovative ass shit. Like I ain't never
shit. What y'all got going on over here? Oh shit! They got the battery in the back of that motherfucker. Okay.
No, I like the build. I like the build. Just on Revving.
They both spinning right there. He giving them a jump though. Don't sleep on them hard.
That show gets smoked.
What the fuck was that? It's some Honda boys. It's some Honda boys.
Boys out here, them niggas take all these shit.
Hey, what the Kia boys at? What the Kia boys at? Hey man, let me get out of this crowd though. Let me get out of this crowd.
On me, but you can't eat hell out of this shit though.
Okay. Wait, oh look at the steering wheel. Don't play with him. Oh, he took the steering wheel off. He took the steering wheel off. Okay. He's not driving with no steering wheel. Where's your steering wheel? Where's your steering wheel? Oh my god.
It's your facts right, bro. Hey, Dio, set it up.
Bro,
Dio, set it up.
what won't you run? Because you want, how much you want to run for?
Anything, it don't matter. Money don't
Okay, so what you want to run then?
He got 5.
Give me your steps and I'll call a car.
I don't need no steps, bro. I don't even know if you even drive anything.
I know,
bro.
so just bring what you run. Are you bring what you run?
I'm not stupid like that.
I know you're not. That's why I just asked you that.
That's
That's why I just
bro.
asked you. Give me your steps on what you want to.
See what you got.
Everything. What do you want to run? You're not running me.
I'm good, bro.
Oh, I say yeah. Damn. You don't want to race then, nigga. You don't want to race then. Shut up. Why you got the jumper cables on top of your car?
All I gotta say, man, you gotta take that shit to Mexico. Mexico!
It's all good, baby. I just don't want to race.
You won't go to Mexico! You won't wear no front! I'm ready not to go. Not a lot of cars, that's what I'm saying. Not a lot of tires, bro, but it's like talking, though.
Hey, man, all I got to say is a whole lot of...
Y'all good, y'all good. I won't put it in there.
Y'all good. Know your car slow. Bro, I don't give a fuck about that little...
Hey, foot race! Foot race! Foot race! Oh, God, foot race! Hey, do a foot race! You want to try to use your foot race? Hey, sound good. Okay, sound good.
He's going to run out of breath against me.
Oh shit!
Fucking smoke!
Run out of breath.
Fucking smoke!
Go for that.
Foot race! Foot race! Foot race! Now you want to run your car to a foot race! 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 How the fuck we let you know that shit?
I want to pass. Flip the Honda! Flip the Honda!
Hey man, make sure I like how we subscribe, man.
Carrie!
You said you was finna slide, man.
I don't slide.
She finna slide.
Twin, pull up, we in Cobb County, twin. They arguing, they about to race, they about to full race, all that shit. They popping it, twin. On God, I got it all on recording. Nigga, you know where we at, nigga. Regals, nigga. Regals, nigga.
Fresh.
Oh shit, where you at, twin? I'm about to come get you. Hey, YouTube, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. My camera about to go dead. Gotta get my boy Rari on the YouTube. Yes, sir. It's good. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, they lit out here. I pop that bitch, twin. Pop that bitch, twin. Hey man, my camera about to go dead, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I got some lit content for y'all boys. Oh God. Hey, y'all can do it. Y'all can hit now. I got the insurance claim right here. I'm gonna be in the insurance and everything.
Don't you move.
Hey man, whoever hit who, I'm going on your insurance, nigga. I'm God. I'm going on your insurance. We gonna get some money.
He already ain't got no front bumper. You better watch out. He might be some sort of.
Oh God, which one?
He ain't got no front bumper.
Play rock, paper, scissors.
Hey man, whoever get hit, just let me know. I got 5 on this. Oh shit! I got 5 insurance.
Who got better insurance? Who gonna move? Who got better insurance? Who gonna move?
Insurance win.
I think he gonna better insurance.
My bad.
Five, he gonna move first.
Nah, you good. Ram his shit. I bet you won't. Ram his shit.
I need insurance claim.
Who gonna move?
Hey, this some ignorant ass shit right here.
Who gonna move first? Who gonna move first? Who gonna move first? He said a Beamer. What you got? I got Beamer. You got Beamer gonna move first?
Beamer?
Who you got?
Hey, these things are ignorant as fuck. Hey, they don't give a fuck. He chilling. Hey, this some ignorant ass shit.
Alright.
What happened? What happened? Hey, come through that bitch trip, twin. I come through that bitch trip, twin. Why you stalking me, bro?
I'm not stalking you, bitch. It was on my story. Why are you stalking me?
Hey, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. That's the end of the video.
Don't pull up the windows.
Hey, don't go crazy. My boy got a cat now. Just step on it. Just step on that bitch. Just step on it. Just step on it. Don't slide it, bro. Just step on it. Just step on it. Hey, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Just step on that bitch. Watch out. Lost his hat. Lost his hat. Stupid hat, nigga. He going to jail. He going to jail. He going to jail. Alright.
I had that as a Hot Wheels around, look.
Oh, he about to wreck.
Coming through tripping. What they doing? Trim.
He tripping, bro. He did it again. He did it again.
We gonna have business in the morning.
I'm about to go home, nigga. Hey, they tripping. They don't know where they at.
Two pipe. Are they on 12 right now? What they like? Got somebody.
Oh shit, 12 got somebody.
Look, my boy finna get paid tonight. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh god.
Look, he right here. As soon as they call, they booking y'all shit. My nigga finna catch a good check tonight. Follow me. Let's go. Hey, my boy, let me ask you a question real quick. You know, with everything going on tonight, how much money you think you finna bring home?
What, from this?
Yeah.
Nothing, because ain't nobody out here probably got insurance.
You already done? I got insurance.
Well, shit, if you got AAA, shit.
I know, I got State Farm.
Are you on tour? Are you folks tripping?
I just seen them Hondas. I just seen two of them.
Hey, 12, come on with you. You my brother on God.